Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to pass Arena 2 in Clash Royale. First, use a giant focus beatdown deck and focus on defending first, then launching a strong counter push with the giant as a tank for your support troops, such as a musketeer or mini P.E.K.K.A. Upgrade your cards, learn to make favorable elixir trades, and place your support units to avoid being wiped out by spells like arrows or fireball. The bomber is a particularly strong addition to your deck in this arena, effective at clearing out swarms and small units. Building a solid deck. Use the giant to tank damage and get your other troops to the enemy tower. Keep your musketeer alive to deal damage from a safe distance behind the giant. The mini P.E.K.K.A. can counter larger ground units, while the bomber is excellent at clearing swarm troops like goblins and skeletons. Use arrows to deal with large groups of small units. For the goblin cage, place this in the middle of your arena to defend against incoming giants. For a skeleton army, use this against larger units, but be aware it's weak to the arrow spell. Some other options include minions that can also serve as an air-based support, and the Spirit Goblin or even Goblin Hut that can add offensive pressure. Some key strategies. Number 1. Defend first then push. Your primary strategy should be to defend your towers efficiently using your support troops and buildings. Once you've countered the enemy's attack, use your remaining elixir to build a powerful counter push with the giant in front of your support troops. Number 2. Elixir management. Always try to gain an elixir advantage by using fewer elixir cards to counter your opponent's more expensive ones. Number 3. Card placement. Be careful when placing support troops. If you put them directly behind your giant, they can be easily destroyed by a single spell. Number 4. Card upgrades. Upgrade your cards as much as possible to increase your chances of winning battles. And finally, watch and learn. If you're struggling, watch YouTube videos of high level players or professional gamers to learn their strategies and card placements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.